Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI A510. In this video I'll show you a preview of the camera. Right here on the back you can find serial number and QR code for downloading the app. Here we've got the lens, and here is the plate, thanks to which when we attach it to the camera we can attach the whole system to front windshield. On the front we've got 5 buttons to operate the camera. On the side we've got micro SD card slot, power slot and AV IN slot. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.